Both are banned in my country. I know. Yeah, the next target could be head back and test the VWAP level. Damn, can't join. Damn, both up and should be ping pong day playing between VA value area. Guys, is it worth it to pay activation fees for accounts? I don't know, I just prefer no activation fees. But if you feel like you've been stucking and you spend a lot of money on the eval phase, right, then you can do the activation fees. Like to me, passing an eval, like kind of like a quick for me, kind of easy. So I like the no activation fee. But if anyone found themselves they stucking in the eval phase a lot, then they can save a lot of money by picking the activation fees. Then the eval gonna be cheaper. Is anyone trying for the future family profile before they have 80% off? You can get 5. What? Fund the future family? Is that a valid firm? 50k eval for just $125? That's a fucking deal. Intraday. Yeah, fuck that shit. Funded network futures. What did you buy to Top Step? Top Step, I was having a good time with it, but not anymore. Oh, and since I just record the session, let me explain the first trade. So I'm gonna put out a long form of the trading session, live trading session. Okay, on this long, I took one loss right here. See a big side absorption, didn't wait, took a long, and took a quick stop. Okay, then next, I still wait for the aggressive side from the opposite side, step in, which is the buyer, aggressive buyer stepping in, took a long and out at the top right here. So on the Lucid, on the one funded account challenge, now I'm up 528. So now I'm gonna good with this account. Now just go to my alpha and trade. What is it? 1 second. The max loss is top steps is not sorry Draco. Just want to test so far support is awesome. Haven't passed yet. That's the one we target for 5k for what? A 50k account target 5k with a 5000. drawdown. That's crazy. Yeah, this PA is kind of shit right here. I'm not gonna try. I'm not gonna try to trade. Pre-NFP. Oh, we have news today too. Bro, scalp people must love this. Let's just scalp from here, target up here. Just do reverse trade. What day is it today? Is it Thursday? 10. Oh, Besson is speaking right now. Oh, and at 3 p.m. Trump gonna speak. And tomorrow, okay. Fetish. Why am I getting dip? Gambling addiction. Reset maybe. Did anyone cut the long at the bottoms from here? Or just me? You did? Good shit. Good shit. And even you say gotta wait a little bit more, right? And I think it's a country decision whether they would allow it or not. Damn, what do we know? To any idea whether they ban country for training prop firm? I don't know, cause one time I opened my AMP accounts for the Quant Tower, and they sent me an email asked if I have am I dual citizenship with other country, and then I say yes, I'm a citizen of the United States and Vietnam. 5 minutes later, receive an email. We cannot open an account for you because you from Vietnam. Fuck, what the fuck. I mean, I'm a U.S. citizen too, right? So then I asked my dad to open an AMP account, and I tell him not if they ask him any question, just don't mention. Don't tell him anything about the Vietnam citizenship. Oh, you did the second scalp as well? Which one? This one? At the bottoms? Oh, you mean the short? Ooh, good shit. How much you up today? Lockout, bro. Up 1K, lockout. I just switched to another account or some shit. Crypto wasn't banned in our country before. They banned it because they can't tax trader from our country. This footprint software that you use, what is it? Quant Tower? This one. Way, Draco. Draco. Oh, so now you down 500? Okay. Oh, you guys. Brother didn't watch my Instagram videos. If you still unprofitable, stop copy trade. Brother didn't listen. Ah. Yeah. And he's my mod, gang. He's my mod. And he's trading ICT. He's promoting ICT in this Discord. That's even crazier. No, Draco is just a different species. Nobody can be like him. Like, he's just built different like that. This trap seller here look kind of nice. Yeah, the value area again. Let's see, now we retest this. I'm just saying it's nice. I'm not into a trade. I'm just observing the information. Not gonna lie, gang, I have to do the forbidden strat. The fuck is that strat? Forbidden strat. I have to pull out my edge for real this time, G. 100% pass rate. 100% pass rate. Oh, who? NTC? Oh, that's Pfizer. Vietnamese Fabio? That's crazy. This absorption here is looking good, but I did took a trade. I don't know, gang. Since I'm up on the other accounts already, I don't feel like I want to trade. Just let's see if there's any other setup. Have you taken any trade? Yeah, I took one trade. Long from here. From this absorption, the first trade, I was a little bit rushed with my entry. Then I wait for the aggressive side stepping in. Then I took retry the long. How's Sleep Sharp been working for you? It's been great. Yeah, that's all I can say. The execution is so much better than trading views. Swear to God, like whenever I enter, I always top tick of a upside move or bottom tick of a down move, and that shit drive me crazy. That you can execute on the platform through API. Huh? What do you mean? Hit your TP? TP again? Damn. How much you up today? Yeah, if you've been winning a few ones, then just lock out, lock out. Gotta be disciplined. Look at Draco. I gotta roast him. Because if you need, let me read the chat again. Yeah, the move just happened. Let's see what my boy Draco say in the trading chat. $10K this month, okay. Okay, first LGBT member of our Discord, Mr. Draco. It is easy. It's all in your head for real. I'm so tired of myself blowing every single email and put it on Asia. This is my brand new stack of stops that account. Email. What the fuck is this? P&L 0.32. At least you're making 32 cents, G. I will journal here every day for full transparency and tagging accountability. That is crazy. Uh-huh. Roast my app if I blow all of this. It's okay, Draco. It's okay. It's okay. Wait, how much you up today? Up to 70 using only 2 MNQs? Okay, is that like how much you up today in total? Are you still in an eval or are you in a funded right now? Yeah, I don't really like trading in this range anymore. It's just ugly as fuck. For 50 eval, I need to size up, bro, but I don't know why I keep using only 2 MNQs. Hey, at least I don't know. Passing eval is accomplishment, right? And go to the funded account is good things. But I see the good side right here. Your trade analysis, every time you have an idea you put into a chat, I really like it, right? Your trading execution, I like it. And using 2 MNQs give you more opportunity to trade and you just build more confidence. Like today, the most important thing is you know you win on this setup. You're not FOMO, like you're not over trading like somebody in the chat right here, right? And it just build yourself a confidence. But if you need to increase the size a little bit, then just go for 4, 3, 4, or 5 MNQs. I love you, Draco. Just roasting you for fun. And it's actually fun. I got a question. If I had 20k account, what size should be using 2 to 3 macros? What is a target for 25k account? 1500? Then I say 2 to 5 is still good. Oh, then the drawdown is 1k, right? Oh, then 2, 3, 4 in that range is good. I'll say so. When you say that you were done for the day, 5 people left? Oh, really? We'll retest this level again. This is going to be an interesting level. Let's see. because there's just a power trade, and at this level right here we have a sell imbalance, right? And the buy just getting absorbed. But to me, it's like in the middle of the range. There's a context from this sell off right here, stack sell imbalance, run through this level, and then we test 2 times, we fell, but not at the level of my interest. Then that's why I don't take this short. It can be like single A, just an A setup at best. Cannot be a double or triple A setup. Statistically, we gonna reach IB high. Trust IB high. What is your IB? Like the 30 minutes or you take the whole hours, Draco? Somebody do 30 minutes, some people. 15 minutes? Holy shit. That's crazy. You different, gang. You different. It's edging me. Why? You in a position? Oh, you in the long? TP at 33.18. Oh, I mean, this place is a place you can get out already. Because if NQ able to reclaim above this level, it's gonna shoot up like a little bit more, right? This is a good target level already, because from this sell off, from the footprints, right, we have a seller imbalance, stack seller imbalance from the 28 to 03. Oh shit, not 28. Yeah, 98 to 03. Right, around this range. Right, from this sell off right here, a stack sell imbalance. And then the market trying to break through this level 1 time, fail. We can see aggressive buyer try, fail, and then aggressive seller step in, push the market down. 1 time again here, aggressive buyer try here, right? So see, we're gonna say this will be our short-term resistance level. I mean, you can hold and wait for it to retest and break it, but if I want to be safe, this level could be my target for long if I able to take any long at the bottom here, right? Does that make sense? Let me guess, TB at 316. Bro, you getting clone. Can you just... Whoa. How dumb. How the fuck am I getting cloned? Mama, I'm back it. Unless I'm getting cloned. Ooh. Two will never DM you first. Yeah, I never DM you guys first. I'm so excited for the World Cup, gang. I'm seeing the polling market. 350 is the code. I got $50 for free to bet. Holy shit. I'm going all in for Portugal. My GOAT. Yeah, but I should not advertising gambling. Yeah, shut up. But it's fun though. Not gonna lie. Please trust me and buy Brazil and sell it all. Quarterfinal. Brazil? I love Neymar. I like Rafinha. I love Casemiro. But Brazil. Yeah, but like the recent World Cup and stuff, Brazil's do not impress me. Oh, Yamal, Lamine Yamal. I mean, he's good though. Honestly, his ego is high. But yesterday, Japan just beat Brazil like 3-2. You see how crazy that is? Japan this year is strong, so I can just bet Japan gonna go to quarterfinal. Okay, here's a song for Lamine Yamal fan.
Mambo. Chopper. Doggy style. No te canses.
¿Y qué fue? No hiciste nada. Con tanta chapa, va a hacerle ranking can king can. ¿Y qué fue? No hiciste.
Alright, that's too much. I got you. Yep, reclaim a butt, brick through this level. Why just look strong as fuck. Yeah, and my boy Bry did a get feel at the bottom here, so now it's just ripping up. What the fuck? I mean, you apply the imbalance stuff, right? The stack imbalance stuff, and you want to set a limit order to get fill, right? That's a good thing. You apply and you want to execute, and the market actually go the way you want. But just unlucky you didn't get fill. Stream some games. Oh, I don't know. Should I leak this out? Let me check. Cause there's a group, right? There's with a bunch of like trading influencer, and somehow yesterday I got added. I'm making it. I'm in the circle. I'm in the inner circle. So. They thinking about doing a Minecraft event, right? They thinking about doing that, and each influencer gonna have their own community and join the server, and then gonna play some competitive or any type of games. And we're gonna partner with other platforms, like so the competition or the game that we play gonna be around Minecraft, and then education around the platform that gonna sponsor us, so that gonna entertain the audience, like benefit the platform and for us, so it's a three-way. Yeah, but I don't know if it's gonna happen or not. But if it's happened, anyone here playing Minecraft? I've never played before. Swear to God. My dumb ass short and my stuff lost was ass. Bro, how the fuck did you just take a short again? I thought you hit your DLL. My is a classic 2 weeks. W, the homie, no sleep, no shower. Ah, the 52. Alright. I played Minecraft when I was in middle school. The short was recent. I hit the deal. Yeah, same as too. Yo, Draco, you playing Minecraft? Bro, you could lead the community. I'm gonna let you lead the community. I'm short about 378. Huh? So you like set a short limit order at the top? Okay, now price reclaim above the 1-day minimum and the VWAP. Oh, sorry. Yesterday, like at the beginning of the stream, who asked me the question? I forgot. I didn't answer him. Cormel as someone, right? About the option flow levels. Using NQs and QQQs. I think he's left the life. Anyone here plays Rocket League or just me? Just you, big dog. We play Cooking Mama. Seem like hella seller near 350 to 370. Let me type him. I mean, it's just an hour. I could sit here for another 30 minutes because there's still a lot of good play we can play for today. Wait, why is my gamma exposure level on Menthol Q is kind of the same? from yesterday, it didn't refresh at all on trading views. Yes, Romel, are you in the chat? Yeah, sorry, brother. I forgot about your question. Alright. So, how are we going to apply? Is my gamma exposure level right? Because it's look exactly the same with yesterday. Okay, but let me explain this real quick. For option flow, when you use these level, right? Okay, now I see the refresh button. Let me refresh this real quick. Give me a second. Okay, now we at the 1 day minimum. Okay, so now Rommel, when you look at the chart, can you see we've been rejected at the top right here, right? It could be VWAP. It becomes VWAP, which is really strong. But if we turn off the VWAP indicator, then we don't see anything, right? But right here, look on the QQQ. There's a gamma exposure 5, and QQQ's rejection, when it's react to this, it causes these rejection right here. When we look at NQs, there's no gamma exposure level, right? And let me show you on this one also. Okay, like this one, for example, this one right here. When the market open, we go up and down, right? We reject from this core resistance level, right? And there's nothing at the bottoms when we look at QQQs, right? But we bounce from the core resistance 0 days to expire on NQs, so that's why we bounce. And QQQs do the same thing, is go up. And then when we up here, we reject. There's no level on NQ, right? But why reject? Because looking at QQQ, at this time, at the same time, is revisit the core resistance on QQQs. So now QQQ got a reject. It's having reaction. It's reject, and it caused NQ to go down too, because they are correlation, right? So when price go pre-approach the high right here, QQQ's at the high. I didn't get into a long or short because I want to see the reaction. And at this time, CVD on NQ is just making high and high lows. So aggressive buyer are putting in the effort and actually move the market up. So the CVD and the price actually align with each other, right? So next, I look on QQQs. I see the candle able to reclaim above core resistance. And now we test it a few times. When I saw any side absorption at the bottoms, I took a long from here because on QQQ we was able to reclaim above the core resistance. And now we don't have any upside level that's gonna block us to going up. That's why I took a long here. And I target the gamma exposure 1. Okay, like, do you understand how I apply it into, like, on QQQs and NQ to trade? Is that your course? Yes. That's pretty neat, right? Because there's nothing in here, right? We don't see anything in here. But looking at QQQs, there's a gamma exposure 5. Then I'm not gonna get into a long unless I see QQQ reclaim above the gamma exposure 5, right? Then I'm gonna take a long on NQ. And I'm gonna target the gamma exposure 2, right? Damn bro, slide me the PowerPoint. Now Draco, you're gonna sell it for 50 bucks to buy your new combine. I cannot do that. I would never. You are dangerous shit. Matthew's type. He's a businessman. Yeah, I love the hustle. I love the hustle from Draco. Right, so that's why I say we still have plenty more opportunity to trade for today. Why? Because the market's open and we just like right here, we just balance, we have just ranging here, right? There's no significant move. And also we are now under the high volume and the high volume 0 day to expire. So if we able to break out of this balance range right here, either to the upside or downside, then we're gonna expect some big move, like either a huge move to the downside, right? Or a huge move to the upside. But first we gotta wait to see if the market able to break through the upside or the downside target first, the level first, because we in a balanced range. Yo, but what about when one is above HVL and one under the HVL? Yeah, I'm gonna split out some stuff from the mentorship. Okay, fuck it, I'm just gonna tell you. So HVL is, or gamma flip, is really important level. When we look at the HVL level, if price is above it, then we're gonna expect the market going to be more range, like there's going to be more reversal. But holy shit, what the fuck, hold on guys. But if we under the HVL, right, then the market tend to have more explosive move, like the move gonna be more expand, right? We're gonna see a Trump or Drake candle, whatever you want to call it. But same thing, we look here, we look over here. QQQs is just above the HVL, so, and the 1 day minimum, so it could be a little bit range. But looking at NQs, we under the HVL, so I need the market to break this balance range first, and then we're gonna see a huge expansive move from there. That's what I think. Update the app. Hold on guys. Did you take any trade yet too? Hey, Vinny. Yeah, I took one longs. Long from here, sell absorption, and out right here. I'm up 500. Nothing crazy today. How about you? You took any trade? Does NQ lead QQQs? I'll say like the way they move is correlate, but I would say QQ lead NQ in the option side. Like if anyone understand about option flow, then they're gonna understand the volume, like the movement in NQ market, in the future market, who caused the move, right? It's probably more than 80% is from the hedging activity from the option market to the future market, right? So I've said QQQ lead, NQ more. Yes, I took the same long, but I accidentally took it on a sim, then I got cooked on my funnel. Dang, man. That's rough. No, man, no revenge trading. That's what I'm saying. We stuck in this, but it's kind of sucked. Like the only good trade I see since the market open is this long, this long, this long, and this short right here. Other than that, I'm not trying to trade until the market break through either the balance high, the value area high, right? Because we see we've been rejected a few times already. So once we break, then I'm gonna target these upside level. That short was primo, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna sit here for like 20 more minutes until 11. If nothing really happened, then I'll be done for the day. Because I'm up. So don't feel the need to keep training. Who's training behind you? Oh, that's my little brother. Red folder in an hour, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Somebody is speaking. Right. Bailey going to speak. So I don't know. Maybe the market kind of chop since they wait for. Is he your student? Oh no, it's just my brother. I mean, yeah. Yes, but his brother learning from him. I bet his ass he's gotta learn from me. If he saw his ass learning from somebody else, I'm gonna grab his ball sack and he's gonna get a punishment. Hey yo, that's kinda gay for some reason. My bad. My bad. Tell your brother to full port his account. Hey! His account, he's gonna work hard for his account. He's gonna clean the dishes and stuff. And they got paid like doing chores at our house, in our house. And he actually paid me $70 to buy a Lucid account. I bought him the account. I just say, just take it, and then the next day he just give me $70. Child abuse? No, that's. If you and your brother not like that, you are not brother. Yes, today's subject, slavery. Everyday subject. Why do you prefer volume over range chart? Yeah, trying to be diff. Yep, yes sir. Because I see my mentor Jaron using that, and my guy Jimmy Jumbo, the guy who joined the Discord with us yesterday, he also used the volume chart also. So I mean, I just switched to that. Deep chart is have like 3 bundles, like 3 months, 6 months, and 1 years. Yeah, they don't have the monthly yet. Yeah, I mean, since I don't take any trade, should I lock? I just, yep. That's gonna look much better. Thought on Syria chart. It's good. The execution's always great, but I don't know. These I just like it more. Because volatility usually change from time to time. Yep. If a power trade comes through your range chart, click explore, run off your screen. Yeah, exactly. Especially with these days, you blink twice, market move 50 points. Oh, like what the fuck? Yeah, what the fuck? What the fuck? Should it be my signature things? In the sea of order flow trader, I gotta be different. So right now, our signature move that we have is this one. We've been spamming this shit for a few days. But I still see people doing that. And yesterday, our new move is
I got motion, not a dime, she a quarter, she a token. Turned up, see the bitch have emotion. Money talking a run like it's supposed to be. I got emotion. She wanna pop it, she.
That's too much. Sorry. Sorry again. Sorry. I'm sorry. This is too much. Never do that again. Bro, that's going to be a great content. Right? What else? What else? What's going to be different? Gotta be different, guy. LARPing by I'm blowing account left and right. Sorry, gang. Yeah, later when I end the stream, I'm gonna boost the server. Like, how much should it be? Like 200 seat? Cause how many members in the Discord right now? 538. Oh, that's quick. Nice. Like I released it last Wednesday, right? Or Thursday, and now we already up 500 people. That's good. Laughing while I'm blowing a count with an eyebrow. Someone who's that? What is that price action, bro? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think the market's just gonna wait for Trump to speak at 3 today. Yeah, I mean, future, I'm up. Let's check on my Robinhood, on my option play. Let's go. Oh shit. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hey, up 20%. And on one call and the other call, I'm up 12%. Not bad. Not bad. Lark. Lark, lark, lark.
Don't you know, pump it up.
It's not supposed to be a large song.
Yeah, we can jump up, we can get down low, mix it all up, we can go loco, whatever you want, there's nothing we can do, 'cause we can go up, and that's what we can do.
Oh shit. Hold on, my headphone got blown out.
Mix it all up, we can go loco, whatever you want, there's nothing we can do, 'cause we can go up, and that's what we can do. Yeah, we can jump up, 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 make 'em say, smash it all.
That's a YN. That exaggeration. Is that a? Sorry if I didn't mean that, but that's something behavior. He got rich by selling course. Yes, sir. My course not even published. The fuck. Not too much. But if these thing got leaked out to the communities, got rich by selling a non-existent course. I really understand 90% of this shit. What is it? Psychology plus risk management, BOS, break up structure, right? OB, order blocks, PO3, inversion fair value gap, MSS, market structure shift, liquidity sweep, time and price, plus trading with the smart money, and stop loss hunting. Holy, what the fuck? The fuck is that? COHCO, Chalk, MB, LV, Louis Vuitton, VI, BB, BBL, Drizzy, BSL, SSL. The fuck is that? The fuck is that? Bro, we just spamming random word. Guys, this is my ultimate strategy. This is KEMALIHBELIER. What the fuck? Type this shit, man. Breakup blocks. Oh, it's so good. It says, how I make $1 trillion. Alright, I'm gonna put part log here. Fuck it, either I make the money. No! Ramel! Fuck you talking about? What did I tell you? Last time when I asked you guys should I overtrade? And your ass tell me to overtrade. To break my rules. Now you're doing that to another guys in my Discord? Yeah, I should have restrict your ass for 30 minutes. Using my super secret strategy that you can see on my bios. God damn. 2,000 trade. What a beast. I don't know, seeing the price action is so ass. I'm just here entertaining you guys. Green is green, I don't care. Yeah! You see what is this? Is green is green? What is... Where the fuck is that? Oh la la! Green is green! Green is green. I love that mentality. Bro, he exposed himself. My guru career is gone. Bro. Okay guys, I'm the only one can roast Draco in this server because he been distribute a lot of good shit in the server. He give us the free Optionflow bots, right? You should appreciate him, alright? And what the fuck? Yeah, that's the only thing he do, right? I'm trying to think. Yeah. Don't hurt his feeling. Yeah. Anyone got any last question? Yeah, I think I'm pretty much done for today. Now this, if it's breakout, then right? If it's the QQQ is able to reclaim above the gamma exposure 5, then this could be a good play. Yo, did you get into that long? How do you say your name? Banok? Banok? This week? W, to be honest, let's not fuck it tomorrow. What was the question I was going to... Did you pull port along? Because it looked like trying to break out, right? If you long already, then can just break even or try your stop because it's retest this level where it's been rejected a few times. Brother, did you... Hopefully I can get a payout. Oh, on the account you posted on yesterday? Oh, then you're still good, gang. Just 500 DOL today on top step. You're gonna make it back tomorrow. Yep, long's looking good. Now, test out this level from the sell off, right? And we got print out these sell imbalance. We've been test 1 time, 2 time. We've been reject. So there is a high probability that we're gonna reject. What is it? These block, like stack imbalance. Okay, buy looking strong as fuck. Yeah, I think it's gonna go up. No question. Just look kind of good, not gonna lie. But I need more confirmation from there. We just see that aggressive side stepping in. We need to see more reward. We need to see reward from them. Two power trade from buyers. Aggressive buyer trying a lock here. Should not trying to be the first one to get a move. Can just wait for another retracement, another good opportunity to trade, right? Actually, I'm gonna sit here a little bit. Should I sit here a little bit and look for another chance to take a trade? Okay, it starts to look good now, right? The first 30 minutes was ass. We just keep stuck in this balance range. Now since we break to the upside, break through the value area high, then and also QQQ break through the gamma exposure 5, wait for retracement and then long target the gamma exposure 2 right here, or either exit when the NQ reach the gamma exposure 2. Either which one get in the gamma exposure first, and I'm gonna exit. So that's going to be my plan for the long play. But now I gotta wait for a good setup to get into a long. Right now I don't see any significant setup. We see power trade and a lot of aggressive buyer here. but like they keep stuck in here. I need to see and keep to break and go to the upside. Right, a lot of effort, but no significant reward. I don't see a footprint. Oh, the footprint. If you want to turn on the footprints, you can just, you see this one, the cluster, you just turn it on. Set it at imbalance, and then you can go figure it out by yourself. Or go watch. Oh yeah, I sent out the template. Or if you want to use my template, then you can copy my template. I don't know, man. This looked kinda gay to me. Let me switch to this account. Might get into the trade. Do you recommend trading with Quant Tower? I'm thinking about getting it. Quant Tower is good. Like definitely you can trade with Quant Tower. You have like footprint and stuff on here. Okay, right now, crystal seller starts to step in. If it actually break through this low, then short could be good. I'm not trying to force a trade. About get a continuation play. No. It's gonna pump. I can just enter right here. But no, no. If I enter right here, then my stop be not good. This be right here. This top continuation setup, I don't like it. I just got video for the Gex level stuff. The template is easy, guys. Just search YouTube because I don't use Quant Tower. Target Gex level 500, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm done today. Yes, that's good things. Right, Draco? Is that a good thing, Draco? If you up, then you'll be done. Right, Draco? I mean, you up on the other cow, right? Wait, so how many days you have on that account already? Like, does it like the winning days? Does it have to be above 150 bucks or anything? Seven days winning 50 plus and 35% consistency, right? What's your biggest win? Yeah, I think if we get too long, if I was getting too long right here, I just target the 500. Yeah, not a aggressive buyer right here. Yep, anyone take this continuation trade, then can just break even and risk free. This is a risk free trade. Is it better to group trade or copy trade 30 accounts at the same time? Okay, my honest thought, eval phase you can copy trade them, right? But when you get to funded, trade them separately, like just one account at a time. Don't even group or copy trade them, just one account at a time. That's gonna be so much better for your mental. Oh, this long play out so well. They're on bookmap because reason why I like the continuation. Hold on, let the bookmap load for a bit. Because you guys can see, look at the bookmap. Really strong aggressive buy right here. And really strong right here. And then the market just keep revisit this level. So especially the biggest aggressive seller right here. Right, and then it's come up. So if it's able to break the high, I want to jump in a long because this is buy reloading. Right, they just keep reload their stuff, and then once they break it, it's going to be a strong break to the upside. This is a buyer reloading setup on bookmap. And also what I already said, we've been break out this balance range, then a move gonna be strong since we are under the high volume level, right? So once we break up, then the move gonna be crazy, right? We don't need to target the 500. Once the NQ touched it, then we just manually out. Does the bookmap setup make sense for you guys? And how I'm gonna manage my trade as I explained. That we got a flexible, if we're able to have these data from the option, right, then we can just exit once QQQ reach this level or NQ reach this level, whatever touch first, then we out. Yep, yeah, keep going up like that. Yeah, I think since I don't cut the long, we're just gonna wait to see once NQ or QQQ reach these level and then see what's gonna happen. I think that's will be what I do for the rest of the session. Wait, when's the first day? Like next week we gonna start the World Cup, right? Should I email Polymarket? Please sponsor me. I'm gonna do a live stream where I'm gonna bet on your website. Give me 50K. I wanna pour 20K to have a 2 Iceland. 20K for the expense for the event, and I'm gonna get a 10K. Play the music. Wait. Oh, you up? And you got your stop loss. Okay, that's a risk-free trade for you, right, Joe? And what about like two group of 15? If you take one L, you change to another. It's gonna depends, whatever you like more. But like me personally, I don't have too much for the account at a time. If I have like around 5, right, then I just trade at a time. I don't feel the need to buy more evals. So you out your position, or you still in W day? Okay, you getting along? Yes sir. Yes sir. How much you up? How much you up? That's good. Lock out. Lock out. How about you, Joe? You out your position, or you still in? Yeah, don't be like Draco. Draco is a good trader, but it's just with his discipline stuff. I'm out plus 700. W is a W. How about we do? Hold on, we got a lark. We got a lark. Sorry guys, if you're new here, we usually lark. I have a plan to stick to it. Put more trade. Okay, wanna spam the W? Everyone ready? Man, you gotta help the small influencer, you know. Okay, everyone ready on the chat? I count to 3, then we're gonna spam W. Yeah, I think this is going to the Gex too, right? Okay. Hold on, hold on. Let me turn up some music. 1, 2, 3. Lock me to the max. Okay. W day, W in the shot. Yes sir. Up for the day, green for the day. That's what we do. Alright, thank you, appreciate. Thank you, guys. Wow, there's way too much spicy you said message. W day. Yeah. Now just enjoying seeing the market pump. So what else we gonna do? People call me Mr. Call Out. Like, yep. Let's see. Now it's reached the gamma exposure 2. Is it gonna reject? If it's keep going up, then this is my next level. Right? We can see how when we under the high volume, then the move gonna be like huge, like there's nothing gonna stop the move. Just remember, if we up, what is that word? Give me a second. If we above, yeah, if we are above the high volume, then there's gonna be a lot of reversal. Yo. Okay, Vinny. Because if we are above, then we're gonna expect a lot of mean reversal trade, right? If we are below, then we gotta understand the AMT model first. If we are in this balance range, even though we are under the high volume, right, we are still stuck in this balance range. But the moment we able to break, then we're gonna have a big move, and those moves gonna be explosive or expansion move. Bro, I gotta put this on my story. This is so too funny. This is ripping. What the fuck? Yeah. So you actually yesterday, I'm not joking around, right? Yesterday, what did I tell you guys? Right, the first few days, I'm gonna pretend like I'm losing, so the people who want to copy trade me, they're gonna out, right? They're never gonna join the live again. And then what we've been doing? What we've been doing? Just keep cooking, right? Don't know what the fuck. Right? Yeah, now we start to see some rejection at the gamma exposure 2 level. But yeah, that's it for me today, guys. Another W day. I really enjoying doing this. Two trades cutie for sure. Hey yo. Damn! Damn, Vinny! Oh, you up 2K already? That's crazy. Now you're official and insider. Oh, what the fuck are those? Bro, how the fuck are you guys so quick with that? Yeah, W, Vinny. Wait, if anyone got a winning trade, just post them to the win. Let me put it in the screen chat. They post it to the That's crazy, Vinny. You wait until it's go to the 30,500? Yep. Could see a little bit of retracement here since we reject the gamma exposure 2 from QQQs. That's it for me, guys. A lot of good trade today, even in a balanced range, right? At least we are up. GG, GG, GG. Have a good day. Peace.